2025 Home Decor Trends. 10 stunning styles from luxurious, modern designs to minimalist Japandi charm. Discover the most captivating home decor trends of 2025, where elegance intertwines with comfort to create a symphony of style and serenity. This year's trends are all about finding the perfect balance between modern luxury and minimalist simplicity, with a focus on crafting spaces that feel genuinely welcoming and aesthetically pleasing. As we delve into the grandeur of modern luxury interiors, we also embrace the serene simplicity of Japandi elegance, a blend that offers tranquility without sacrificing elegance. Whether you're drawn to bold eye-catching decor pieces that define a room, or you prefer the subtle nuances of textures that softly enhance a space's ambience, these stunning styles promise to inspire a sophisticated transformation for your home. In 2025, interior design is characterized by a harmonious blend of organic elements and refined aesthetics. This year sees a rise in the use of natural materials like wood and stone, paired with soft, inviting color palettes that bring warmth and comfort to any room. Statement lighting takes on a crucial role, setting the mood and adding a touch of glamour, while cozy textiles invite relaxation and leisure. Timeless furniture designs make a lasting impression, balancing functionality with beauty. As open concept living continues to dominate, accent walls and carefully curated home accessories add depth and personality, allowing your space to reflect your unique style and identity. Whether your taste leans towards the warmth and charm of rustic design, the sophistication of contemporary classics, or the sleek and edgy appeal of modern industrial design, 2025's home decor trends offer a diverse palette of options. Elevate your living space with statement pieces that draw the eye and captivate the imagination. Embrace the beauty of layered textures, from luxurious fabrics to artisanal crafts, each layer adding dimension and interest to your environment. The goal is to create an atmosphere that feels not just luxurious, but deeply personal and reflective of who you are. Let your home become a sanctuary of inspiration and tranquility, a place where every detail tells a story of comfort and sophistication. As you explore these trends, consider how each element contributes to an overall sense of harmony and elegance. Craft spaces that serve as a retreat from the outside world, offering both opulence and a warm embrace. In 2025, home decor is about more than just design. It's about creating a living testament to your personal taste, values, and aspirations.